Number 10. Rhyolite in Nevada, a ghost town frozen in time. Once a bustling hub of the gold rush, Rhyolite rose from the dust with astonishing speed, fueled by the dreams of striking it rich. Fortunes were made and lost overnight, and for a brief glorious moment, Rhyolite pulsed with the energy of thousands of souls. But like a desert bloom after a sudden rain, Rhyolite's fate was as fleeting as it was spectacular. One by one, businesses closed, families packed up their belongings, and the desert reclaimed its own. From the skeletal remains of its grand hotels to the ghostly silhouette of its bottle house, art and ingenuity linger. Here, in the stillness of the desert, Rhyolite stands as a testament to the ephemeral nature of boom and bust, a poignant reminder of the dreams built and lost in the relentless pursuit of fortune. Number 9. Thurmond in West Virginia, a town whose story is inextricably linked to the railroads that once thundered through its heart. Imagine a time when steam engines roared, carrying coal and timber from the mountains to the rest of the nation, and Thurmond was the beating heart of it all. The railroad brought prosperity, transforming the sleepy town into a bustling center of commerce. Hotels, saloons, and businesses catering to the needs of railroad workers and travelers sprang up, their lights painting the night sky. But as the years passed, the importance of coal dwindled, replaced by other sources of energy. The Grand Hotel, once a symbol of the town's prosperity, stands as a hollow shell, its empty windows like vacant eyes staring out at the tracks that once brought life and vitality. Yet, in the quiet decay, there's a haunting beauty, a sense of history preserved, a testament to a bygone era where the rhythm of the rails dictated the pulse of life. Number 8. Kennecott in Alaska, a testament to human ambition set against nature's raw power. Here, copper was king, drawing prospectors and dreamers to this remote corner of the world. They toiled relentlessly, carving a town from the wilderness, their lives inextricably linked to the rhythms of the mine. Kennecott boomed, producing over $1 billion worth of copper, a testament to the enduring spirit of those who dared to challenge this harsh frontier. But even the richest veins eventually run dry. As copper prices plummeted and the ore dwindled, Kennecott faced an uncertain future. The decision came in 1938. The mine would close, and with it, the town that owed its existence to the Copper Mountain. Recognized for its historical significance, it became a National Historic Landmark, a poignant reminder of Alaska's mining legacy. Number 7. Centralia in Pennsylvania, a town forever marked by a subterranean inferno, a testament to the enduring power of nature's fury. Centralia was once a bustling coal town, its streets alive with the sounds of children playing and families going about their daily lives. But beneath the surface, a silent threat was growing, a smoldering ember waiting to ignite. In 1962, a fire, likely ignited accidentally, took hold in the network of abandoned coal mines beneath the town. Smoke billowed from cracks in the earth, noxious fumes filled the air, and the ground itself grew warm to the touch. The residents of Centralia found themselves living atop an inferno, their town slowly being consumed from below. The fire proved impossible to extinguish, a relentless force that defied all attempts to contain it. Number 6. Bodie, California. Deep in the eastern Sierra Nevada mountains lies Bodie, a ghost town frozen in time, offering a haunting glimpse into the California gold rush. Imagine a town where fortunes were won and lost in a single hand of cards, and the streets were filled with prospectors and outlaws. By the late 1870s, Bodie was a boomtown with over 10,000 people chasing the dream of striking it rich. But Bodie's prosperity faded as the mines yielded less and fires ravaged the town. Today, Bodie stands as a perfectly preserved relic of its wild past. Walk down the dusty streets, peek into the windows, and you can almost hear the echoes of its vibrant past. Number 5. Goldfield in Nevada, the heart of gold country, where the town of Goldfield stands as a stark reminder of the fleeting nature of fortune. At the dawn of the 20th century, Goldfield was a boomtown, a magnet for those seeking their fortunes in the earth. The discovery of one of the richest gold strikes in Nevada's history transformed this once desolate patch of desert into a bustling hub of activity. News of the find spread like wildfire, drawing prospectors, businessmen, and dreamers from far and wide. They came seeking their fortunes, and for a time, Goldfield delivered. But like many boomtowns before it, Goldfield's prosperity was built on a foundation as fickle as the desert winds. Number 4. St. Elmo, Colorado. High in the Sawtooth Mountains of Colorado lies St. Elmo, a ghost town clinging to the rugged beauty of the Rockies. Once a bustling mining town, St. Elmo thrived on gold and silver. Prospectors flocked here, drawn by the promise of riches. The town boasted saloons, hotels, and even a newspaper. But as ore dwindled and a fire swept through, people moved on. Today, St. Elmo stands as a testament to the enduring spirit of its miners. The town's empty buildings and silent streets echo with their stories. Number 3. Bannack in Montana. A ghost town frozen in time, its empty streets whispering tales of gold rush dreams and the harsh realities of frontier life. In 1862, gold was discovered along Grasshopper Creek, and Bannack exploded from a remote outpost into a bustling mining camp practically overnight. Prospectors, merchants, and adventurers from all walks of life descended upon this remote corner of Montana, all seeking a share of the riches buried beneath the earth. The town swelled with life, its streets lined with saloons, gambling halls, and businesses catering to the needs and desires of the newly wealthy. As the easily accessible gold veins were exhausted, and new discoveries lured prospectors elsewhere, Bannack's star began to fade. Number 2. Jerome, Arizona. A town that clings precariously to the side of Cleopatra Hill, its story a testament to the enduring power of human resilience and the allure of reinvention. Perched high above the Verde Valley, Jerome was once known as the wickedest town in the West, a reputation earned during its days as a booming copper mining town. Drawn by the promise of riches hidden deep within the earth, miners, prospectors, and entrepreneurs flocked to Jerome, transforming it from a remote outpost into a bustling center of industry. The town boomed, its population swelling as copper ore flowed from the mines. But as with many mining towns, Jerome's fortunes were inextricably linked to the whims of the market. When copper prices plummeted during the Great Depression and the ore began to dwindle, Jerome faced an uncertain future. Number 1. Glen Rio. A town straddling the border of Texas and New Mexico, a poignant reminder of a bygone era when Route 66 was the pulse of America's heartland. In the golden age of the automobile, Route 66, the mother road, beckoned travelers to embark on epic cross-country journeys. And along this iconic highway, towns like Glen Rio sprang up, catering to the needs of those seeking adventure and the open road. Glen Rio thrived as a stopover point, a place for weary travelers to refuel, grab a bite to eat, and rest their heads before continuing their journeys west. But as the interstate highway system expanded, bypassing towns like Glen Rio, the flow of travelers dwindled. These abandoned places stand as silent witnesses to the ebb and flow of time, the relentless cycle of boom and bust that has shaped the American landscape. Each ghost town we've explored whispers a unique story, a testament to human ambition, resilience, and the enduring power of nature. Which of these ghost towns resonated most with you? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more captivating journeys into the world's most intriguing and forgotten places.